walking around. I'm in heaven right now, guys. Oh my goodness.
Sailor Saturn. Looks like a
recently. This is what one of my friends Laura got. Little cute cat earrings and then another cat earrings. Oh, and another 3 pairs of cat earrings. They're all so lovely. She clearly really loves cats and she has a cat of her own. Love. They also got this little keychain, cinnamon roll keychain, and then also she got a lot of stuff like a figurine, everything. And my other friend Trey, she also got cat obsessed girl. Got some snap pins, bracelet, and oh yeah, then a duck. They're so cute. And I got this plushie because I had to. I got these earrings. They're so pretty. And then I also got these. I also got this really cute Barbie pin. Oh, it's so pretty. That's all. I got my little baby. This vlog? Yeah. Vlog.
Yes.
I vlog.
We're so cute.
Hey guys, so I'm currently editing Comic Con's video, and Comic Con was actually pretty eventless. There was literally no events, and so I decided to combine it with my Twice album unboxing. So hope you guys enjoyed that because I had an amazing time opening, but it's also really fun. So hope you guys enjoyed this segment now. Okay, so I have my album right here. It's like a banner almost. So pretty. And then I'm gonna just show you all their pre-order cards. 9, 10. I love the background. I love her nails as well. Momo, Sana, Jihyo. I forgot to show the box. These are the box. I love it. Mina, so pretty. Dahyun. Look at her tattoos. Chewy. And group card. Like, finally, Chang is allowed to show her tattoos. Like, that's amazing. They're so cool. I love the little strawberries. Oh, they're so pretty. Yeah. Now let's move on to the album. I'm so excited. Oh, and let's talk about. Oh, this is so pretty. Let's talk about the actual songs. I really love New. And then like I Got You. Oh my gosh, like I Got You is so good. One Spark is also really amazing. Rush is really good. Bloom is really good. You Got Me is really good. Like it's all just really good. So yeah, I'm scared of where the I don't know where the freebies are, but what is this? That's pretty. Stop. Oh no. Julian's in the crease. Okay, I hope you can see her. So pretty. Mina. Ooh, it's not an age order. I like that. It's a bit different than last time. I love her dress. Oh, she's such a ballerina. She looks like a ballerina in like this. Oh wow. That's pretty. This is pretty. Pretty. Mina, I got you. Lyrics. Composed. Beautiful. Beautiful. I love her shoes as well. Oh, Taeyang. Like I love her tattoos. Like I'm so happy because I always knew like she was a really creative girl, and now she has like all these like cool, like meaningful tattoos, and her hair is so cool in this, and finally she's allowed to show them. Like I remember like more and more she was getting a lot of like hate for them. Like why? Like let her live. She has a little butterfly tattoo, and then cage, and then these. It's just, I cannot get over how beautiful they are. Oh, Chewy. Oh, her hair is so short. I remember it used to be like so long. Ooh, yeah, it was so long. So pretty. Chewy. Nayan. Oh my gosh, look at her shorts. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Love her outfit. She's so tall. She's pretty tall actually in real life. Rush. I love that. Taehyun, my favorite. Well, actually, I feel like everyone's my favorite in Twice now, because like when I was younger, I was like 12. I think I chose Taehyun to be biased because of her like personality and stuff, and like her talents, and I really loved her like voice. It was really memorable. Her voice was really like memorable to me. But like now that I'm older, like I realize that all of them have like a special something in them, and it's difficult to only like one of them, like bias one of them, you know what I mean? So I love this song. I love this song. So I feel like it's a bit difficult to just like one of them, you know, because every one of them has something. Oh my gosh, Jihyo. Queen Jihyo. Oh yeah, and also when I was like only getting into Twice, I found like a bunch of memes on like Jihyo. I love the background, it's so fresh. Ooh, I saw the CD. I didn't see the cards though. I hope that there's a lot of cards, like always. Like at least, oh I love this, like at least 5. Pretty! I love it. See, I was really torn between this version and Forever, the green version, but then I kind of like went for this one because I thought it was bright and like a bit different from what Twice do nowadays, because nowadays they kind of do more kind of mature concepts, but I feel like this one was really up my alley. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Momo, oh my gosh, look at this background. It's like pastel and everything. And her outfit, like what? So cool. She's not wearing any earrings, is she? I think it's a balloon. Oh, I love that. Yeah. Oh, Junghyun, but why is this empty? Please tell me. Why did you do this Twice? There's no need. So pretty. I keep saying pretty, but like I don't know. They're so like angelic. Pretty, angelic, beautiful. Oh, stunning. Everything. Amazing. Oh, Sana. Oh my gosh, I love Sana. Sana. Her hair's so long as well. So beautiful. I love Twice. I love them. You get me. Oh, I love that. I got you and you get me. Those two songs. Mwah. Chef's kiss. Chef's kiss. Sana. Oh my gosh, she's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Yeah. Love this. Content production. And then the RIP stuff. Where's the free? Wait, where's the freebie? Oh, I think they're in there. Oh, that's really smart. Look at the CD. Whoa. There we go. Oh, it's so beautiful. Shall we move on to the freebies? I don't know how to approach this. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh, what?
Where's the photo cards? Is everything in? Oh, it's in it. That is so smart. That is twice you've gotten. I'm gonna close this up then. Mystery envelope. So I think I'm gonna take out the biggest thing first. There's a mini poster. Let's see. From Twice. Oh, it's all the messages. Oh, I got Seungyeon. Oh my god. I swear to god, she loves me. I have one of her over there looking at me. Then I got another over there, like postcard. Like, she loves me, I swear. She's so pretty. Really love like outdoor concepts, so I'll probably get the other version as well because I have to now. Oh, these are stickers. Stop. Oh my gosh, I love it. They also did stickers, I remember, in Eyes Wide Open, but they weren't like this. Or in Knock Knock as well, they had their faces. Oh, I love it. Okay, stickers. Oh my gosh, Momo, is that your hat? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, look. She's wearing a little, like, oh my gosh, no, I don't even know what it is, but like, I love it. It has like the black cover. Love her, I love Mudding. Okay, where should I put you? I'll just put you in here. Then next, oh, this is not a photo card. This is cool. This is a little like bookmark. I'm probably gonna actually use this for like bookmark. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Next, okay, let me not once I got you. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my gosh, it's Tui. Oh my gosh, she's so beautiful. Love her. Okay, next we got, I'm gonna cover up the signature so I don't know. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, Sana. Oh, I love. Oh no, I'm probably gonna wear this card. Probably gonna put it at the back of my phone. Oh my gosh, what is this? That's not. What's Chihyo? That's so cool. Look, you have to look through it like this. Wait, we're like this. Doesn't really matter. Oh yeah, look. So cool. Okay, I love her. Cover up, so I don't really know who that is. I think I can already a bit tell. Oh my gosh, Nyan 언니. It's like kind of like, well, it's supposed to be like this, but then go put it like this as well. Love it. I love it so much. And then I think the last card. This has been a roller coaster so far. Please, I just really want Taehyun. Please, okay, it's empty now. Taehyun, please. I don't think it's Taehyun, but good luck. Twice. It is Taehyun! Yay! Oh my gosh. I got my like 3 top biases. So Taehyun, Momo, and Sana. Love it. I love her hair. I love the little bits. Kind of like Hime bangs. So happy with my pulls. I'm so happy. Oh, I'm gonna organize everything now. So these are all the little freebies I got. Well, freebies, all the cards I got. I love them. I really enjoyed opening this album. Like, it's so like Twice, you know? Like, I just cannot. Like, I just really love Twice. I'm never gonna stop stunning them. Whenever Twice have a comeback, I just get so happy because, like, since I started stunning them when I was really young, like, little me inside of me, she's just so happy to see them again. Like, with a new song, with new music, and it's just really nostalgic, you know? Thanks so much for watching my Comic-Con vlog and my Twice with Youth album opening. I'm sorry the Comic-Con vlog was so short. I did not realize that I didn't record enough, but I'll definitely be back in the summer, so stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, I will have another vlog coming up. I can give you guys a little hint. That's all you're getting. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and I'll see you next time. And I'm so excited for the summer. Let me know if you have any plans for the summer. I definitely do, and I'll be definitely vlogging everything. So I'll see you very soon. Bye!